sure when you have your phones in there, it's gonna change the compass too as well. So make sure, and there's also underground conductors. Remember, anytime current flows through a conductor, it's gonna generate a magnetic field on there, so be careful of that. And then here's some base, and some of them have tripods that you have a tripod that you can use. But you're gonna face it to the south, and one key item to look for is you're gonna set it to 14 degrees. So 14 degrees is right there, that's the magnetic declination. I'm gonna play this quick video. We'll get into groups, we'll run outside. The only thing I want you to do is take the four corners of where you want to put your solar array and take a picture of the four corners. Okay, so you're gonna look around, find out where you can actually install a solar energy system, and you're gonna take the four corners in order to do that. Okay? Sound like a plan? Okay, I'm gonna play that quick video. It's about 5 minutes or less, and we'll